Welcome to the jungle marketplace, where degen apes love trading bananas. But here's the problem. Prices are always changing. One day, bananas are cheap, and the next day, they're worth their weight in gold. How can these apes know when to buy and when to sell? That's where technical analysis comes in. Just like how these apes need to understand when bananas are at a good price, traders use technical analysis to figure out the best times to buy and sell crypto. In the crypto jungle, having the right tools is the difference between getting the best bunch of bananas or getting stuck with none at all. So let's take a closer look at the graph itself. What do all these bars mean? Each bar represents the price movement of an asset with a specific time frame. It could be a minute, an hour, or a day. Every bar has 4 key points: open, high, low, and close prices. These are called candlesticks, and each one tells you a story about the market's mood during that time. Now onto the magic of support and resistance levels. These are crucial in helping you gauge the right time to enter or exit a trade. Support levels are when the price tends to stop falling, while resistance levels are where the price has a hard time rising above. Understanding these can help you minimize risk when making trading decisions. Next up, let's talk about 2 key indicators that traders love: VWAP and RSI. VWAP is the volume weighted average price. It's an essential tool for traders. It gives the average price of an asset based on both price and volume. The VWAP helps you understand whether you're paying more or less compared to the market average. If the price is above VWAP, it's usually seen as bullish. If it's below, it's bearish. Traders use it to confirm trends or find entry points. Now, RSI, or Relative Strength Index, measures momentum. It tells you if the asset is overbought or oversold. An RSI over 80 means that the asset is overbought and might be due to a price drop. But if it's under 20, it's oversold, meaning it could be a good time to buy. Combine these tools, VWAP for price action and RSI for momentum, and you've got a powerful setup to make informed trades. So there you have it, a simple breakdown of technical analysis, support and resistance, VWAP, and RSI. If you want to learn how to buy Solana and transfer to a wallet, click on the next video. Thanks for swinging by 8bar. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you in the next one, and remember to trade safe. Goodbye.